What up everybody, it's Ian, also known as the Bay Area Sequoia. If it's your first time to this channel, hit that like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting the rig and getting us out on more adventures. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about the next mod for our truck, which is lighting. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I do rock LEDs. I know they're blinding, but it's whatever. I mean, they look good on the trail and that's what matters, but oh well. Shout out to TEQ Customs for sending this over to us, or TEQ Customs. Shout out to Hunter over there. These are their projector headlights. We're going to be putting these on the rig. They do have a turbine halo ring on the outside, and we got them in our favorite color, which is amber. Here they sent us these as well. These are their clear side markers, and they did add some amber bulbs in there. Shout out to them for that. Before, when we got these, they didn't have the plug and play kit, but luckily Hunter over there sent that to us, so it's easier to install. So this right here is going to be their plug and play switchback harness, and then you have this one as well. Otherwise you get the wires and some instructions, and sometimes people can't follow those instructions when they're installing these, but it makes it super simple on their online site. If you guys need the instructions, I'll upload the URL in the description below. But judging by the looks of these are high quality. I definitely like these, and these are going to change the look on the rig. So I'm excited, and let's get these suckers installed. Yee. Retire these. Okay, all right guys, so now that we got these installed, there's really only a couple bolts for the headlight. You got one right here, two right here, and then I believe one underneath here when you remove the side marker. So to remove the side marker, just take this little plastic fastener right here, pop it up, and then pull this out, and then reverse when you install these new lights. Anyways, the harness that you guys get with these is a plug and play. You basically just tap into the side marker lights, so it gives you power to your halo. And then there is a harness for your main projector bulb. This right here, your fender bolt, is going to be your ground bolt for that harness, and then it just goes into a plug, which is this style plug right here, and here's for your high beam right here. So low beam and high beam. Then I run the harness right underneath this lip. So then you got your positive, and then you have your ground bolt right here, and then it plugs into the stock harness on your headlight, so you get power. Super simple, super easy. These look crazy at nighttime. I definitely like the look. We'll upload some content on that later, just to show you guys, so you guys get that comparison. But I absolutely love these. These are awesome. Shout out to Hunter at TEQ Customs, or TEQ. You guys are awesome.